Have you ever felt like a puppet to your emotions? Anger, joy, sadness, fear, disgust, surprise. They pull our strings, shaping our actions and reactions. We've all been there, haven't we? Swept up in the storm of anger, drowned in the depths of sadness, or lost in the fog of confusion. But what if there was a way to master these emotions, to steer our own ship? Today, we're going to delve into the ancient wisdom of Buddhism and discover how it can help us navigate the turbulent seas of our emotions. Buddhism, a philosophy born in the East over 2,500 years ago, offers a path to understanding and controlling our emotions. The Buddha, once a prince named Siddhartha Gautama, left his life of luxury to seek the truth about life's suffering. His teachings, known as the Dharma, provide a roadmap to inner peace, guiding us through the tumultuous terrain of our emotions. Let's consider the story of the Buddha encountering a musician. The musician asked the Buddha how to meditate, and the Buddha responded, "Tune your mind as you would your instrument, not too tight and not too loose." This story beautifully illustrates the balance we need to strike with our emotions. Now, let's explore the core practices that can help us achieve this balance. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness is about being fully present, observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Let's try a simple mindfulness exercise together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Observe your thoughts and feelings, but don't judge them. They're not good or bad, they just are. Understanding impermanence. Impermanence is the understanding that everything changes, including our emotions. Imagine your emotions as waves in the ocean. They rise, they fall, but they never stay. Just as the ocean remains after the wave has gone, so do you remain after the emotion has passed. Cultivating compassion. Compassion is about understanding and caring for ourselves and others. Imagine a friend is feeling down. You wouldn't berate them, would you? No, you'd offer kind words, a listening ear. Now, what if that friend was you? Cultivating compassion means treating ourselves with the same kindness we'd show to a friend. Practicing equanimity. Equanimity is about maintaining a calm and balanced mind, regardless of the emotional storms we might face. It's like being a tree in the wind. The branches may sway, the leaves may rustle, but the trunk remains steady and grounded. So, how can we apply these principles in our daily lives? Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness meditation. Reflect on the impermanence of your emotions, reminding yourself that this too shall pass. Practice compassion by sending kind thoughts to yourself and others. And when you face emotional upheaval, try to maintain equanimity, staying calm and balanced. Challenge yourself to apply these principles in your daily interactions and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, controlling our emotions isn't about suppressing them, but understanding and navigating them. By consistently applying these Buddhist principles, we can transform our relationship with our emotions, leading to greater peace, happiness, and ultimately freedom. So, embark on this journey of self-discovery and emotional mastery. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and emotional well-being. Check out our other videos on mindfulness and meditation. And don't forget to comment below about your experiences or challenges with managing emotions. We're all in this journey together, so let's learn from each other. Until next time, stay mindful and compassionate.